First step, fold it in half and make sure that it is exactly together. You want your folds to be perfect. Open it up, form a house now shape by taking the top two, folding it to the line of symmetry. Your fold line became the line of symmetry. This should line up exactly perfect. Bring this down. And this should be a complete point. Now we're taking the roof of the house, bringing it to the line of symmetry exactly. Your finger needs to be on the top here so that you don't overfold the dart point. Bring this exactly to the line of symmetry and press, and the same on the other side. Exactly to the line of symmetry. Make sure you crease really good. Now you're folding both in and pressing your creases really well. You should have a really skinny dart, and I make sure I push real hard on my creases. And now I'm going to fold my wings down just by simply placing my fingers here, here, and pressing, pulling over on both sides. One, and then I'm going to flip it over and do the same on the other side. Now, once this is folded and creased really well, you just simply, now that the wings will be down, you just simply lift it up, and you can apply so that this doesn't open up as it flies. Apply a little bit of tape in the center. And then some people like to do one in the back as well, right here. And then you can decorate this. There it is here. Decorate it the way you like. And that's the dart plane.